Welcome back, students. In today's class, we continued the lesson Simple Machines. Today, we have come across two new points, a wedge and a lever. A wedge can be seen in a knife, in an axe, in a screwdriver, a nail, a needle, etc. Wedge helps any object to be cut easily. You can experience it in cutting vegetables with the help of knife, cutting a wooden block with the help of axe, removing or unfitting a screw with the help of a screwdriver, and so on. Wedge is made up of two inclined planes coming together. When two inclined planes are set together, they make a wedge, or you can also say it as a sharp end. Next point we studied today was a lever. A lever is made up of three parts: load, effort, and fulcrum. Students, always remember that the part which you are holding in your hand will be an effort. You can find it out, you can make out that effort in an example of a farmer on the textbook page number 86. The farmer is trying to remove a large stone with the help of a crowbar. He is holding the crowbar in his hand, that part is the effort. The heavy object which is to be removed is the load, so that is the bigger stone. And with the help of which stone is he removing is that small stone. The small stone is placed under the crowbar, that is the fulcrum. There are three types of levers: first order, second order, and the third order lever. Always remember, the load in all the three conditions, all the three orders goes downwards. In the first order lever, the effort is pulled downwards, then the load will be removed easily. In the second order of lever, the load is pulled downwards and the effort is pulled upwards so as to remove the load when the fulcrum is to the left side. Finally, in the third condition, in the third order of a lever, load is pulled downwards, effort is pulled upwards, and fulcrum is to the left side. In the two conditions, second and third order of lever, the load is in the center in the second order, and in the third condition, effort is in the center. Thank you.